In Lincoln, Nebraska today, we're at PlugFest, an agricultural machinery compatibility testing event, and we're going to talk with Joe Tevis. Joe is with Topcon, Precision Agriculture, and is the project chair for the Standardized Precision Ag Data Exchange. Well, Joe, first of all, tell us what's going on here at PlugFest.
Well, at PlugFest is a semi-annual event. Typically one event held in North America and another one in Europe. And the whole objective of this PlugFest is to test the interoperability between the various manufacturers of agricultural terminals, agricultural implement control systems, and farm management information systems, or software products that create the task. There's probably 30 to 40 companies typically that participate in these, and several different pieces of equipment. So, and again, the overall objective is to test the interoperability and then multi-brand, brand-to-brand operation of these components.
Now, as part of this, you're testing the standard Precision Ag Data Exchange conversion toolbox. So tell us about that and what that would do.
Yeah, the conversion toolbox, as we call it, is one of the projects of the SPADE 2 project sponsored by Ag Gateway. And its objective is to more or less manage the complexity of all the data conversions that are required to perform precision agriculture today. Many of the data formats are legacy formats from the OEM manufacturers and smaller equipment companies. And they're living together right now with the ISO 11783 task data standard. And so there's a lot of different standards that have to be managed by the grower or the ag service provider, depending on who's implementing the Precision Ag program. And the conversion toolbox seeks to reduce the complexity of both implementation and execution or use of these data standards.
So basically, you're trying to develop a industry standard for systems to talk to each other.
Yeah, the components we're writing are written to the ISO 11783 standard. Our goal is to make implementation and adoption of that standard easier and more widespread. The conversion toolbox team is a multi-company team. Right now we have 4 different companies participating in this project. And as we go along, as I said, it is a proof of concept project at this point. And eventually we will regroup our efforts and move forward and hopefully collect some more participants.